This video will walk through what's included with your connected roof system from Watts. Watts' connected roof system consists of several monitors that are installed on the roof at each roof drain. The monitors are wireless and send data to a central Watts gateway and have a battery life of up to 10 years. By comparing water levels, the gateway can detect if drains are clogged, so maintenance staff can be called to prevent damage to the roof structure. Let's take a closer look at each component included with your system. First up is the Watts Connected Roof Monitor. Your system may include several monitors depending on your roof design. The monitor will be installed near your roof drains to monitor temperature and water level. It transmits data on a 915 MHz wireless connection to the gateway. The monitor unit includes the monitor and mounting bracket. Next up, the Watts Connected Roof Gateway, including a micro SD card and power supply. The gateway receives data from the monitors and provides alerts when the system detects drain clogging or other performance problems. Lastly, an external antenna is included that can be used in place of the attached antenna if a gateway will not fit in its intended enclosure, or if the placement of the gateway will disturb the signal to the antenna from the monitors. For additional information, including installation, head to watts.com.